am deciding my own destiny, choosing the path that may lead to greatness or to obscurity. I continue to transform myself with a courageous, challenging spirit. Today, I am boldly forging ahead without hesitation so that I can pursue even greater goals for tomorrow. Welcome to KIC Limited, the flagship of the KIC Group. We were established in 1971 and have been building, maintaining, and repairing equipment for iron and steel mills, energy plants, and environmental protection facilities for over 40 years. Our hard work and dedication have been instrumental in the development of Korea's heavy and chemical industries. KIC Limited has grown as a plant engineering specialist. We are now the domestic leader in niche markets for hard-facing, iron making, and petrochemical processing. This was achieved by remaining committed to self-development and to challenging the limits. We've advanced into next-generation environmental facilities and are pioneering the market for plants that process alternative energy resources such as oil sand. Rapid growth by the flagship unit has enabled the KIC Group to expand into four main areas: plant engineering, parts, materials and precision machinery, finance and services, and aviation. This business structure is powering sustainable growth. Our group consists of 15 affiliates and an overseas network that spans 7 locations, including China, Vietnam, and Canada. We are now preparing for another 50 years of rapid expansion. We are truly a global leader in niche markets related to plant engineering. This sector is backed by more than 40 years of experience and technology innovation. We boast unrivaled competitiveness in equipment hard-facing, insulation installation, coke transportation vehicles, reheating furnaces and other equipment for iron and steel works. We are also a pioneer in denitrification and precipitation equipment and oil sand development plants. Parts and materials are the foundation of the manufacturing industry. Our group has been making reduction gears, geared motors, and rubber automotive parts for over 4 decades. We are the domestic leader for these items in terms of both technology and market share. Moreover, we are expanding into precision machinery such as plastic injection molding machines and machining tools. Our research and investment are ongoing in this area to accommodate diverse customer needs. By applying the most advanced financial techniques, we have built an outstanding reputation in financial asset management, real estate development, and financial engineering. Our focus today is to invest in technology ventures that can create new growth engines. E-Star Airlines is being developed into a new growth driver for the KIC Group. We are taking advantage of the development of Korea's West Coast to become a leading provider of air passenger and cargo services. Our goal is to operate a new concept airline that expands globally. Meanwhile, the KIC Group has been involved in the massive Saemangun development on the West Coast. This area promises to become a Northeast Asian hub for finance, logistics, and international business. The project has paved the way for us to move into the development of tourist and leisure complexes. The Star of the East has begun to shine on the world stage. The KIC Group aims to be ranked among Korea's top 20 business organizations by the year 2020. We are now proclaiming an ambitious plan for going global. Our E-Star 2020 plan is the impetus for future KIC Group expansion. It calls for our 4 mainstay businesses to advance in 3 stages, generating $1 billion in profit out of $10 billion in annual sales by 2020. In the process, we'll become one of Korea's top 20 corporate entities. The first phase from 2005 to 2010 is a time to strengthen our growth-oriented competencies and lay the groundwork for a global business network. By 2010, our combined sales are to reach $1 billion a year. During the second phase, we will secure core competitiveness as a global leader of niche markets. Expansion will be rapid as we focus on new growth businesses, and annual sales will reach $5 trillion by the end of this phase. The goal of the final phase is to establish E-Star as a global brand and elevate our corporate value. We expect to earn $1 billion in profit on $10 billion in sales and be an unrivaled global leader in our respective business segments. E-Star 2020 is more than a simple strategy for corporate growth. This is a plan for generating new kinds of value. This vision seeks to establish a model corporate culture and realize a new tomorrow. We want to create new corporate value that leads to social progress, new customer value that brings respect and satisfaction, new shareholder value that inspires confidence of our corporate future, and new employee value that allows our people to realize their individual ambitions.
부무 실현은 언제나 상상력에서부터 출발되었습니다. 우리가 꿈꾸는 미래, 바로 우리 자신이 갖고 있는 생각의 크기로 결정될 것입니다. 도전과 상상력으로 가치를 창조하는 글로벌 리더, 바로 우리의 미래입니다.
There is always another hurdle to climb over going forward. However, I will not slow down. I must keep going. My challenge, indeed our challenge, is to continue on until the day our dreams have been realized and our success has become legendary. The day when the star of the East shines ever so brightly.